In the far-flung barangay of Lamak in Pinamungahan lies a paradise hidden away from the bustling city, the Hidden Valley Resort of the Lamak Multipurpose Cooperative. Other than their majestic views of the mountains and fields in this valley of Pinamungahan, the Hidden Valley Resort offers various amenities, such as their wave pool, sky biking, rooms, and lodges. They also offer organic food fresh from the farm. The Hidden Valley Resort is just one of the business ventures brought on by the Lamak Multipurpose Cooperative. Initially starting as a small cooperative back when there were no roads leading to the area, Lamak Multipurpose Cooperative eventually grew into the big, sustainable cooperative they are now. They now have members not only from Pinamungahan and the province of Cebu, but also throughout Region 7.
We are one of the far-flung barangay of the town of Pinamungahan. It's a very isolated area, but because of the cooperative, so we're able to help them. That there is something in the countryside that they were going to develop, and then there's no impossible thing to become possible.
The resort also offers other products from the Lamak Multipurpose Cooperative, such as their organic Carabao milk ice cream, Carabao milk soap, cacao or tablea, sardines, orchids, and others. Other than the Hidden Valley Resort in Pinamungahan, Lamak Multipurpose Cooperative has 23 branches in Cebu where you can purchase their organic products.
Sa Cebu lang, so doon namin specialize dito ang dairy box o ang atong usab nga atong fresh pick, no, nga instead ang mga tao matong carbon, so they just can drop by.
With their success, Lamak is now known for being one of the model cooperatives for sustainable development in the country.
Muli ang usa sa example nga unsa kadako ang impact sa usa ka kooperatiba ngadto sa community. So inana ang role sa isa ka kooperatiba, and as the regulatory and development agency for cooperatives, mo ni ang iya hapong advokasya sa CDA nga ma-develop ma-replicate ang unsa may nahimo sa Lamak sa other areas throughout the Philippines.
The Hidden Valley Resort of the Lamak Multipurpose Cooperative proves that nothing is impossible with hard work and dedication to development. For MyTV Cebu, this has been Raya Guzman.